Now to an ITMA investigation. Indianapolis is seeing teens not only be the victim of crimes, but also be the ones responsible for them. Just this morning, 4 boys were arrested for an armed carjacking. With this type of activity becoming more common, ITMA's Jasmine Miner is taking a closer look. Jasmine?
Yeah, well, Sierra, IMPD says from the beginning of the year till about mid-October, there have been 194 carjackings. And you have to compare that to all of last year. There was a total of 131 carjackings, so big increase over this year. Police tell me most of these involve teens, and advocates tell me the only way to get them out of trouble is to get their minds focused on something positive.
It's a disturbing trend hitting Indy streets.
The ages of both victims and perpetrators seem to be creeping downward.
IMPD says 4 underage boys were arrested for an armed carjacking that led to a police chase near Washington Street. Even though police say no one was hurt, they did say they recovered a weapon.
At the age that most of us are enjoying our teenage years, there is a level of violence that's unacceptable.
Mayor Joe Hogsett plans on using $150 million to be directed at public safety, which includes more mental health services for teens, rec centers, job programs. But will it do enough?
The peer pressure from their friends, and the guns are easily accessible now, which is very alarming.
Reverend Malachi Walker says the programs are a start. He's the founder of Young Men, Inc., an organization that gives summer camps for young boys. He says it's just easier for teens to get their hands on weapons nowadays.
When they get these guns in their hands, they think they have power, and nobody can tell them nothing.
In early October, there was a 14-year-old boy who used a gun in a carjacking before that very weapon made it into the hands of a different teen who fired shots during a Ben Davis football game. Reverend Walker says things have gotten worse with teens due to added burden and stress from the pandemic, something that limited some of his outreach.
We usually have 100 boys every summer. When the pandemic hit, I cut that down to 40.
He says he's confident they'll be back to full capacity this coming summer, as he calls on everyone, from parents to legislators, to work together to make a difference.
It takes a village to raise a child.
I reached out to police for more information on this morning's carjacking. They said they will share those updates on the investigation when they become available. As for Reverend Walker, he does say that he is urging any family with young boys to get them into programs that might help make a difference. I'm Jasmine Miner for Wish TV, wishtv.com, and follow us on Facebook.